Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Buick Enclave. This vehicle comes in silver metallic paint with our alloy rims. We also have running boards, rear privacy tint, and black leather interior seating. Now moving on to the interior of the Buick Enclave, we'll take a look at a few of the interior features. Starting off with the door panel here. You can see we have a nice black leather with gray stitching. We also have our wooden trim, chrome door handle, and our memory seat option. Below that we have our close handle, lock and unlock buttons, our rear window lock, power window controls, power mirror fold-in, as well as our power mirror adjustment with the joystick, Bose speaker just underneath, as well as storage. And on the side of the seat we have power adjustable seats with power lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our daytime running light switch, interior dimmer switch, as well as our ambient lighting, our gauge cluster, Buick badge in the middle of the steering wheel. Off to the right we have radio controls and our volume just tucked behind. And off to the left we have our cruise control as well as a heated steering wheel. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather, and up top we do also have a wooden trim which also heats up when you turn on the heated steering wheel. Pretty cool feature. We have a small storage compartment just above our clock, also leather wrapped dash, our Buick clock, and vents on either side. Our small infotainment screen here. We have our CD player above with our auxiliary input, volume, and tuner, as well as our home page. You can see we have our navigation in the vehicle as well. Our odometer screen controls, as well as our lane departure warning and front collision alert, our hazards. And down below that we have our dual zone climate controls with screen in the middle to display the current temperature in degrees Celsius. We also have a sequential fan speed control, heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. We also have our rear climate control, rear wiper controls, traction control, trailering mode, and power liftgate controls, USB and 12-volt charging port, our gear selection stock with manual shift option, 2 cup holders. Go ahead and slide back our center console. We'll get to that in just a second. See, we have plenty of storage just down below as well with a removable tray. To opt for more storage underneath with a 12-volt charging port. So kind of a cool secret compartment under there. Good place to store wallet or other small items. And then if we slide this back forward, we do have a padded armrest. Also doubles as a small storage for phone or wallet. The front seats are featured in brown patent leather. We have gray stitching, as well as perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat to allow for maximum breathability of the leather. Overhead, we have our dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, and sunroof and moonroof controls. For our sunroof and moonroof overhead, we also have a dual sunroof and moonroof for the rear. Moving back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Buick badge center caps. We also have our nice rubber strips on our running boards with the Buick badge, side indicators on the mirrors, rear privacy tint with chrome around the windows, and another Buick badge on the side. Around to the rear, we have a power activated liftgate. You can also see dual exhaust. On the inside we have plenty of storage room. Again, a Buick badge on our rear rubber mat, 12-volt charging port, and the handles to fold down the rear 60/40 split bench. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Buick Enclave, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which also features our chrome door handle, wooden trim, close handle, window switch, a cup holder, storage, and speaker. Back of these front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls and rear radio controls, auxiliary inputs, 12-volt charging port, and 2 USB ports. We have 2 rear bucket seats featured in the same black patent leather we saw up front with perforated leather. We have we also have the addition of the leather armrest, and a rear 60/40 split bench with 2 cup holders off to either side. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Buick Enclave. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.